fingerprint art. This lesson is inspired by author and illustrator Marion Decars. We're going to start this lesson with a book by Marion called Bob the Artist. As we watch this book and listen to this book, I want you guys to pay attention to the fingerprint art character, but also you are going to notice some artwork by some famous artists that you already know. So we're going to click on this link. Look at his belly. He must have walked through an art gallery. That's Matisse. Exquisite. And there we have it. All right. Next, now that we're inspired, the materials you will need, if you don't have paint or a stamp pad or watercolor paints, you can use any of those items. Markers will work too. I like to get my finger a little bit damp before I put the marker on so it will transfer to the paper. You also need a pen, Sharpie, or pencil. That's to add your details. Regular paper or write in your sketchbook will be great. And also you need soap or a wipe to clean your fingertip when you're done. Here is a lesson that you guys can do if you just follow these step by steps. These are the love birds. We'll go ahead and skip this ad. This artist uses paint, obviously. Notice how the artist gets a little bit off their finger. Doing it with this type of paint, you won't be able to see the print of your finger. So watercolor or marker would work better for that. This artist is using a Sharpie. You would have to make sure your paint or marker is dry, so give it a little time before you uh, add any of your details. Look how cute! Just a few simple details make those fingerprints into those characters. Voila! We're going to go ahead and go back to our slideshow. All right, here are some other ideas for creating uh, fingerprint characters. You can also look up fingerprint art how-tos. There's many, many more designs that you guys can choose to do. Now, once you've done some practicing with those designs, here are some ideas of how to display them. You can just display them in your sketchbook page, just like this, with all your different ideas. You can do kind of a collage or your characters lined up. I like this idea of bugs in a jar. And of course, these fingerprint fish are swimming around in their aquarium. Here's another idea for you. This is a sheet that I will link. It's just a document that will be printable if you want to put your characters in a art gallery type display. You don't have to use this sheet. You could also create your own frames like this artist did to put your characters in a gallery. I had to show you guys this little video of Marion Dakar's characters. This will be great inspiration for you. Looks like Bob, and the cat was in the book too. There you go. All right. Next, once you guys are finished, I really want you to post that picture in Seesaw under the art activities so I can take a look and comment on it. I've gotten the projects from last time and it was so much fun for me to see what you guys have been working on. Here's a little extension to learn about your fingerprints and why you have them. There's someone making fingerprint art. I have a loop. There we go. All right, back to our slides. Okay, you guys, I cannot wait to see your fingerprint art. This should be fun for you and your family. Get them involved too. Hope to see you guys soon. Stay healthy.